this lesson, we'll be discussing the different forms of interest that can be taken in real property. We've already discussed the bundle of rights such as possession, control, and disposition. Now we'll discuss the different forms of ownership. In the United States, the Bill of Rights established land ownership in the Fifth Amendment with the language that a person cannot be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor shall private property be taken for public use without just compensation. However, this doesn't mean that a landowner can just own property and be free to conduct whatever type of business or lack thereof without cost on it forever. A landowner's rights are subject at any given time to several layers of jurisdictional authority. Here we'll be discussing these different types of ownership with all the rights and the limitations that go with them. We'll start with a history of owning land in Texas, then we'll dive into the different types of estates. These include fee simple estates, reversionary and remainder interests, and leaseholds. And we'll follow those ownership rights with the many influences that define or limit those rights. This segment of the lesson will focus on the major forms of encumbrance that can be placed on a property, such as easements, liens, and encroachments, among others. That's a pretty good bit to start the discussion.